Today, we're gonna be creating
Red light. Green light.
a haunted house in Adopt Me.
Okay, I need to take this mask off. I can't take this seriously. As you can tell, our Halloween outfits today are from Squid Game. I'm the creepy doll who kills everyone.
And I'm the player that's killed in Squid Game.
Yeah, I kill her.
Oh.
Boom!
No!
But today, we're gonna be creating the spookiest haunted house in the entire Adopt Me world.
What's spooky to you, Kens?
I don't know, like Scooby-Doo is spooky.
Scooby-Doo spooky, are you kidding me?
Well, the Halloween one was spooky, okay? Don't fight me on that. Okay, let's get to building. We need to pick out our house first. What kind of house should we do? Is there any like specific Halloween houses here?
Oh, definitely there is, Kens. You're just not looking hard enough.
I am looking hard enough. Which one is it? What are we gonna choose?
Well, you want to have the gingerbread house, you should look for a different one.
Well, I want the donut shop. That sounds really delicious.
That's not spooky, Ken.
Why not? There's a scary house. Stop it.
I think that's the one, Kens.
No. I don't want to do this scary house. I'm really too scared. Wait, I guess that's the point of this, though.
We have to make a haunted house.
Oh, no. Please, don't jump out and, like, scare me, though. I get scared really easily.
I think I definitely have to at least once.
Okay, we just built this super spooky house.
Kens, it's so creepy.
Oh, my gosh. What the heck is this sitting on the...
A little dead bird.
That's the dead bird sitting on the fence. Okay, it's creeping me out. Wait, why does it have red eyes? It has X's in its eyes. Does that mean it's dead?
Yeah, because, Ken, this is a spooky house.
Oh, I don't like this house. Why is the window all barricaded up like that?
I don't know, but are you going to change the color from blue? I feel like blue's not very scary.
Well, what color is scary to you?
Like red or black or gray. Brown.
No, not brown. Let's do black. Oh my gosh. Everything inside is just gonna be black now?
So scary, Ken.
Oh my god, this is the spookiest house in the whole town.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, let's go inside. Let's start decorating.
Careful, watch your step. There might be nails in the floor.
Later that night.
Kens, this is the ultimate scary house.
Oh, this is the spookiest house I ever did see. It says stay out. That means I can't even go in that room.
Oh my gosh.
Is this like a green hot tub?
Yeah, get in there, girl.
Or like a bubble bath?
Take a bath.
Oh my gosh, I'm having a bath in the bubble bath or the hot tub. I'm not sure which one it is.
This is so gross, Ken. It's probably stinky.
Okay, we need to renovate this place. We need to start over. We need to start fresh.
I know, honestly, I really can't stand that hardwood flooring.
Okay, the floors are the first thing that we need to change.
Absolutely.
We could do the dinosaur floors. That's kind of cute.
That's not scary, Ken.
But it's black. Black things are scary.
Oh, the
What about
lava!
the lava floor?
Yeah, careful, the floor is lava, guys.
No, the floor is lava. The floor is lava. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. No, I'm going up here. Okay, I think we're safe. There's not that many scary ones. Oh, we could just... Oh, should we just do all black?
That's really scary.
Because like when you're going through a haunted house, you can't even see things.
No,
you
things
know?
just pop out.
Exactly. Everything has to be dark and spooky.
Okay, perfect. Go ahead and do your renovations,
Oh
Ken.
my gosh, like I can't even see into the next room.
Well, we need to put some lamps or something. Where's the lighting in here?
There is no lighting. It's supposed to be scary. You can't see anything. That's the point.
That's true.
What about the walls? Do we like the walls just plain black?
I think the walls are really nice.
There's also these bricks. Oh my gosh.
That's horrible.
Yeah, no, I don't like that at all. That's ugly.
What a horrible color.
Hell no, to the no, 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 hell to the no.
Okay, I think we're gonna stick with the black walls.
I like them a lot. Wait, what's going on with the ceiling?
Is there a chain coming from the ceiling up
Yeah,
there?
you're gonna swing like the monkey bars.
Whee! Alright, it's time to get into the stuff. No way, there's a Halloween section. Wait, is this it? I only have like 4 items in the Halloween section? What, am I just gonna put a window up everywhere?
That does not look as spooky as what was there before.
Yeah, what the heck?
Well, I do kind
I like it though. It's like at the entrance. You gotta be a little bit welcoming.
And you could make it black if you wanted.
Yeah, let's make it black.
Oh,
that's
spooky.
all just spooky.
Now you can look out and be like, stay out.
I'll be the creepy grandma that stands at the window and goes, get off my lawn.
What about the evil chandelier, Ken?
Where should we put the evil chandelier?
In our kitchen.
We don't have a kitchen yet.
Okay, oh no, we don't need a kitchen because we're like vampires. We don't eat normal food.
Yeah, no, we don't.
No. Where's it going?
I don't know. I think we should put it at our entrance.
Oh, I like that. Ooh.
Right on the ceiling, right there, right when you walk in.
Wow.
Does that look good?
That looks amazing.
Oh my gosh, it's popping up. I think we need to get rid of this guy. Is he weird? Should we keep him? Should we get... I'm gonna get rid of him. I don't like him at all.
Yeah.
I do like the spooky hot tub, though.
I do think that looks really nice.
I feel like I should put it at the front door so people just fall right into it.
That's really mean.
They oof into the goop. It's kind of like slime.
It's some sort of mean, like, messed up potion that they drink and then they die.
Exactly.
Like a big evil punch bowl.
So this is kind of like the entrance lounge area where we're just chilling, relaxing. We got our bat friend. What should we name him?
Mackenzie.
Bruh.
No, I'm not naming the bat Mackenzie. You crazy?
Can we name it Ken?
No, I don't want to name it Ken. That's weird. I don't want to be a bat.
Let's name it Malibu.
No, it's my puppy's name.
What do you think we should name it?
I think we should name him Batty.
be
Yeah,
great.
Batty. Okay, I think this should this be the kitchen? What room should this be?
I think that looks like more like actually, I think that should be the kitchen because we already have a table to sit out in the other room.
True, we don't need this table. I'm getting rid of
No.
it. All right, here we go. We need some kitchen counters up in here.
Kens, how can you even see? You should change the walls for like a minute so we can decorate this place.
No, that's part of the challenge. I'm not allowed to see anything.
Okay, that's just floating counters.
So just right there. I think that's a good one.
I think that's great.
Should I make it black?
100%.
Wait, okay, now I really can't see
Okay,
it.
maybe make it gray. Don't
Okay,
make it
that's a
black.
good idea.
Yeah, you should make it the darker gray.
There's a darker gray?
Yeah, these ones.
Oh, you right.
Ah, that's better.
That's kind of good. That's
Yeah.
good. Do you think we need a sink in the kitchen?
Absolutely, Kens. How are we gonna wash our hands or wash the dishes?
Wait, but why is it backwards? I didn't flip that around.
Honestly, why do we even need a sink if this is a haunted house? Why do we need a kitchen in the haunted house?
That's actually a good point.
No, but I think we should because if you want to live, it's like a haunted house.
Yeah, and sometimes you get thirsty and hungry.
No, of course. Wait, Kens, what are you doing? You're blocking off the other cabinet.
No, I'm not. It's fine. It's the corner cabinet.
Oh, that's
it's supposed
true.
to look like that.
It
It's like a
looks-
counter.
It looks good.
The next morning.
We need a fridge though, because what if we get hungry? We need snacks.
We need to keep our things cold or else
Whoa,
they're
that's
gonna
a
go bad.
big fridge.
That's weird, Mackenzie.
Where the heck am I? Oh, I'll put the fridge
Why don't
right.
you put it in the corner?
Oh, that's a better idea. Should I make it dark gray?
Ooh, I like that
That
one.
looks almost black, but it's dark gray.
It does look really nice.
Creepy. Wait, is this the entrance to another room? I didn't even see that there because it's all black.
Oh, well that way. Oh my
It's
god.
under the stairs. This is the storage.
This is downstairs. The evil window.
No, I want to put a heart in it.
Oh.
What if I do like a black heart? Does that make you
Okay,
happy?
fine.
Oh my gosh, you can't even see it. Okay, I need to make it a little lighter than that.
Just disappeared. Oh,
What the heck? That doesn't even change it. Okay, then we'll just make it pink.
no, Mackenzie.
Fine, okay, fine, I'll change it. Gray?
Yeah,
What the
that's.
heck is
I don't-
going on there? It
I
looks
don't know.
fine. It looks fine.
It's cute.
It's cute, right?
Yeah, I think you need some lighting, like a light fixture or something.
Should we put the chandelier in here too?
Yeah. Have evil.
Wait, is this a broomstick? What the heck is this thing?
I think that's.
Oh, that's a
it's,
lamp.
It's a hanging light. Like it hangs from the ceiling.
No, it
Ken.
doesn't hang from the
Yes,
ceiling.
it does.
It does?
Yes, it does.
Where should I put it?
Well, you can do a couple of those if you want.
Maybe over here by the entrance so people can see when they walk in.
That's true. You don't want to scare them right away.
What do you want me to make them? Black? Whoa.
Why is it blue?
Blue. Okay, that makes no sense.
No, I'm very.
But blue is creepier than the baby pink.
That's true.
So I liked it.
Yeah.
We'll leave it. Maybe I'll put a little table in the middle just so we can have our snacks at a table.
Of course.
I'll make it dark and spooky
Oh
so
my-
you can hardly see the table and you walk in and you go, oof. Or you can just run over it like that.
You don't even realize you're trying to get a snack and the table just trips you right up.
Yeah, exactly. Ooh, this is a creepy chair.
Nope.
What makes it so creepy? It looks like a Pringle.
No, it's not a Pringle.
You don't think so?
It's supposed to be black.
Okay, perfect.
Or maybe I'll make it gray. There we go. One chair for you, and then I'll make another chair for me.
Okay, amazing. No, Mackenzie, you can't have a pink one.
Why not?
Because this is a haunted house.
Fine. Okay, there's our chairs, and I think I'm done with this kitchen.
Yeah, it looks really good. It's nice and clean.
Yeah, it's pretty complete.
Oh, this is just the spookiest place I've ever
this
seen.
is so spooky.
Stay out. What about in here? What are you gonna put in here?
This will be our baby's room.
Oh, whose baby?
Our baby. We're having a baby.
A bestie baby.
A bestie baby.
Okay, our bestie baby's gonna go in there. Oh,
And to get our baby to fall asleep easier, we'll just have this little thing that goes around it.
that's kind of nice.
I think it hypnotizes them so they fall asleep.
Honestly, Kens, I feel like it's a hazard, but whatever.
No, it's perfect.
It's already sleeping in a tombstone
What about
bed.
the don't throw your baby sign?
That's really important.
That is important.
Well, because sometimes you and me might forget. We might want to play pass with the bestie baby.
No, I forget all the time.
Ooh.
And sometimes it can be a problem.
What is this baby shop counter? What are you selling at the baby shop?
No, this is way too big. That's not gonna fit in this little room.
That's huge.
a baby bottle? Okay, we'll just keep that on the wall, just in case if they get hungry.
Kids, this is starting to look very haunting.
No, it is haunting. Look at this room. It's haunting.
It's haunting. And then you're just like, oh, there's just a baby living in this scary house.
Well, yeah, because like sometimes people will have to put their babies somewhere and
That's
we'll
true.
put them there.
Yeah, put them in there.
And then sometimes we got hungry, so then we come in here. Okay, we're gonna spookify the rest of this entire haunted house, and then we'll give you a full house tour at the end.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
All right, you guys, you are not ready to see this spooky haunted house.
It is the spookiest haunted house I've ever been to.
Honestly, like, I creeped myself out when I was making it. I was, like, honestly really scared. I mean, you guys have obviously seen these rooms already. This is, like, the kitchen where you get your food if you get a little hungry.
Then you can sit out here with the weird skulls on the table and have a snack.
Yeah, exactly. This is, like, the hangout area.
And then it's like, stay out because, like, I'm cooking a really good meal in here.
Yeah, exactly. You stay out of there, okay? And then also, here's, like, the green slime. If you ever want to take a slime bath, you just hop right in here.
I think it would make you smell really good.
No, it would. And look, I think those are, like, mushrooms in there with you.
You're, like, glowing. Maybe you're gonna, like, have special powers when you come out.
No, I probably will.
Radioactive powers.
And then this is our baby room, but you guys already know that.
Yeah, don't throw the baby in the water.
No, don't do that. Okay, let me take you guys downstairs now. This is a super secret room though, okay?
Yeah, it's secret. Nobody knows about it.
So this room is where we keep our prisoners.
Yeah, this is where they live and die.
Okay, you need to introduce that a little bit slower, okay? That was a little harsh.
Sorry.
So this is where our prisoners sleep at night, okay? And we made them with, like, the wood trees because that's just, like, the cheapest material, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Like, they can be comfortable and not too comfortable.
Exactly. But if they misbehave, we send them over to the chain wall.
Yeah, and they lay in there.
Yeah, they just get strapped up to the wall and they just, like hang out over here. It's like a timeout.
Like a hammock timeout.
Exactly, hammock timeout. If they misbehave, you gotta, like, put them in their place, you know?
Yeah, of course.
And then every prisoner, I mean, we're not cruel, so, like, every prisoner comes down and you get one phone call. Okay, and then also, if they ever have to go to the bathroom, we have a little bathroom here for them.
Yeah, they have one toilet, so they have to share.
Yeah, but they can only go once a day because, like, they can't be, like, wasting our water too much. That's just rude.
Too much flushing.
No. And then don't worry about what's going on in that room over there. We'll get to it, all right?
Yeah.
I know it's a little distracting right now.
Kenz, what is that beside the toilet with the webs?
No, this is where the spider sleeps. He's like the spider who stays at our house.
Oh, that's scary. And it's right beside the toilet, so they can't get too comfortable when they're going.
Exactly, because the cobwebs always form around the toilets. You know that. You've seen my toilet.
That's true.
Crazy.
And the spider's coming.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't bite your toes while you're going pee.
And then this is the shower. It's kind of like a gas chamber, just in case if they're, like, acting up, you know what I mean?
Yeah, they obviously want to get, like, really clean in there.
Exactly, and, like, sometimes it can be a little toxic in there.
No, it's true. But this is a haunted house, don't forget.
It is a haunted house. It's supposed to be spooky.
Yeah, we're supposed to be scaring everybody.
So then this room, once a week we have parties on Wednesdays, but Wednesdays only, okay?
And if they're not acting right and they get a little out of hand, we torture them with the fireplace.
Yeah, we turn the fireplace and it gets so hot, and then they kind of turn into that.
And they melt, so then we obviously leave the skulls there, so then we show them we mean business.
Exactly.
In this haunted house. And you have, you know, the velvet ropes, because this is an exclusive experience.
It's exclusive, and it's fun. When you're partying, it's fun, but when the fireplace turns on, it's not that much fun anymore.
12 seconds later.
All right, now let's take you guys upstairs into our haunted house. First off, if you can make it up these stairs, because sometimes they break and you fall through and then you just die.
That's scary. You die from falling?
Yeah, you can. This is the dining room / entertainment room.
It's kind of cute. It's like kind of Scooby-Doo vibes.
Exactly. It's like Scooby-Doo, and Scooby-Doo is scary sometimes.
Yeah.
And then this is where we have our family dinner. So, like, sometimes we invite our parents over.
Yeah.
But Lael and I, we obviously sit at the heads of the table.
Yeah. Our parents get to sit in the rickety chairs.
Yeah, they get to sit in these chairs. And if our parents are bothering us that night, we can put them on this end. And if they're really bothering us, we push them over and then they fall down the stairs.
Yes, this is a haunted house. Don't forget.
Yeah, it's spooky.
Spooky. And just wait until you see our bedroom upstairs. It's so scary.
Yeah, so this is our bedroom.
Kenz, did you change it while I was going pee?
Yes, I couldn't help myself. I needed a room to myself, you know what I mean?
No, this makes no sense. Where am I supposed to sleep?
I still got you a bed, don't worry. It's a little black bed over here.
Oh, that's really cute. I'll curl up really nice and small.
Yeah, it's supposed to be the pet bed, but I mean, you're technically my pet.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
Yeah.
And if we ever get hungry, we can have a gumball.
That's a huge gumball, Kenz. It's the size of your head.
Exactly, I need big gumballs. Because sometimes when you get so scared of the spookiness, you just need like a chill room.
Yeah, you need to like not be so scared, because what's the scariest? The nighttime.
And why do you think I have so many nightlights over here? I've got my heart nightlight, I've got my pride nightlight, I've got my gumball nightlight.
I know, because we have to stay lit.
No, we do. All night long, and I have my posters too, because they make me feel happy at night.
Honestly, Kenz, the moment you go pee, I'm turning all of that back spooky, because that doesn't make any sense.
What the heck? No way, that's unfair.
Sorry.
Now I'm gonna have a nice relaxing dip in my slimy green tub.
Oh, that's nice, Kenz.